3D printed birdhouse on the Ender 3. Now, Maker's Muse kept getting string in and couldn't seem to get rid of it, but I haven't had that problem. Absolutely clean inside, clean as a whistle. Little bit of string in there, but not really worth moaning about by any means. One window bar missing there out of the sash window, but again, can't really grumble. The quality of the actual piece, this is printed the main black part in one piece, the purple part on the front in another piece, chimney stack and the two eaves. The black piece was a 2-day print and the lower purple part was, I think it was about 6 hours. But I'm sure you'll agree the quality of this is just fantastic. Absolutely fantastic model. I shall put a link in the description to it if you wish to download it and print it yourself. But absolutely fantastic. Completely blown away by this. Looks so good.